Let's perform a basic rope braid. A rope braid is a 2-strand braid. Begin by dividing the segment in half using your black Paul Mitchell rat tail comb. Gently twist the left strand to the right, and then gather and twist the right strand to the right as well. Next, you're going to flip the right strand over the left strand. Twist both strands to the right and twist the right strand over the left. Twist to the right and flip the right over the left. Twist and flip. Twist and flip. Continue working all the way down until you reach the ends of the hair. Remember not to over twist. A single twist and a flip each time will suffice. And there you have a basic rope braid.